So believe it or not, we don't have any of our cameras that can do video in the house right now. So I'm gonna shoot with my iPhone in my kids' room. This is the new Voigtlander 35mm F2 vintage line that we got from Camera Quest. Alright, we're gonna open it. This is gonna be kind of a crap video, but whatever. This is the box it comes in, first of all. This is the lens that we're gonna be opening up. Pretty excited for it. Okay, so first you get a user manual, I guess. Voigtlander, made by Cocina. They also make Zeiss lenses. And here's some styrofoam. And here's a teeny tiny lens. This is super cool looking so far. I can tell it's, wow, it's beautiful actually. So I'm gonna move this box out of the way. It's really hefty. Sweet. Okay, so I think it's a 39mm. It would use a 39mm UV based on this cap, and 10 aperture blades. The Ultron 35mm F2. God, it's really, really beautiful with this chrome accent to it. And this focusing knob is pretty unique. It's really smooth. I love it. I love the aperture rings on Voigtlander lenses. Voigtlander and Zeiss, I think they excel. And there's like absolutely no wobble on this guy, like at all. That's kind of crazy. Okay, take it back off. Wow, this is so small. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting so excited about a damn lens, but I am. So we have our M9 here. We do have the M9 in the house, but that doesn't shoot video, obviously. Here it is with the Vivante strap. I actually don't know the model of this particular strap, but it's super nice. More on that later. Put the cap back on. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this Rocore 40mm and mount the 35 Voigtlander Ultron. Boom. Cap comes off, and that is teeny tiny. I love it. Okay. That's so cool. So we're gonna actually have this at the meetup tonight, Beers and Cameras meetup. So if you do head to that in San Diego, you'll get to check it out. Awesome. Talk to you later.